I used to think greasy cottage pie was just the price of admission, but as it turns out, I was wrong.
To start off this recipe, we're going to handle the prep so everything's ready to move quickly once the pan gets going. To begin, dice 1 medium yellow onion, dice 1 stalk of celery, and dice 1 carrot, keeping them all roughly the same size so everything cooks at an even pace. Then slice 8 ounces or 227 grams of baby bella mushrooms. If you can't find baby bella, a regular white button mushroom will work just as well. Don't worry, the flavor will stay the same. Now, let's get the pan going. Add a bit of oil to a pot that is oven safe over medium heat, and once it's warm, add in your onions. Sauté those until they turn translucent. That usually takes several minutes. You're looking for them to soften and go a little glassy rather than picking up much color yet. Once the onions are there, add in your sliced mushrooms and continue cooking. You want these to soften down and pick up a little golden color. Mushrooms release quite a bit of moisture as they cook, so give them the time they need to cook off rather than crowding the pan or rushing the heat. Now add in your diced celery and carrot, and sauté until they've just slightly softened. You're not looking to fully cook them yet. This is really just to start breaking down that raw bite. While that's happening, go ahead and mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, along with 3 sprigs of thyme and 3 sprigs of rosemary. Once the vegetables have softened slightly, add in the garlic, thyme, and rosemary and cook just until fragrant. This only takes 30 seconds. Garlic burns quickly, so keep an eye on it and keep everything moving. From here, we're going to build out the filling. Add in 1 cup or about 150 grams of frozen peas, followed by 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon or 14 grams of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of a red wine. Give it all a good stir and let everything come together. Once the wine's reduced down, set the whole filling off to the side while we handle the beef. Heat a separate pan to a medium-high, and once it's hot, add just a light coat of oil. We're using 1.5 pounds or 680 grams of the lean ground beef here, and keeping the oil light on purpose. This isn't meant to be a greasy cottage pie. Fat is flavor, so you don't want to strip it out completely, but between the lean beef and the light oil, you keep the filling rich without turning it heavy or oily by the time it's baked. Put the beef in and cook it through completely, breaking it up as you go so you don't end up with big clumps. Once it's fully cooked through, add it right into the filling and stir everything together until it's evenly combined. Now it's time to assemble. Top the pot with your favorite mashed potatoes recipe, or store-bought. Don't worry, there's no shame in that. Spread the potatoes out evenly over the top, right to the edges, so nothing bubbles up and burns. Finish it off with a generous layer of Parmesan cheese over the top, then bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 245 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the filling is bubbling around the edges. And that's cottage pie. Rich, hearty, and built around a filling that does all the heavy lifting without being way too heavy with grease. If you'd like more recipes just like this, be sure to click the video that'll pop up on the screen in just a second. But other than that, I'll see you on the next recipe.